Hello! Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening everyone. Welcome to the Mirror Show. And yeah, this is the second unleashing of still part of the Gundam G-Quacks right there. Yep, G-Quacks. And maybe you already know what's the kit that we will unleash because it's on my thumbnail. But yeah, let's go. Let's have this, and yeah, this packs. Wow, so big, man. But yeah, let's go. Let's unleash this. Let's go. Okay, so we open it. No, unleash it. Not yet an opening. Okay, it's not yet an unboxing. But yeah, it's still part of the Gundam G-Quacks. And yeah, the last time I unleashed this one. Yeah, you saw it already. Okay, so this time, if we have a Gundam, then we will have a Zaku. Yeah, we always have that, man. Always, in a Gundam, there's always, like, if there's a Gundam unit, there will be a Zaku or a monoid unit. Yeah, and that will be the opposite side of the story. Yeah, or the adversary of the Gundam. Okay, so without further ado, let's have this and welcome you, D. Woo, this is from the Gundam G-Quacks, and this is called MS-06-SSP Police Zaku. Now Zakus are police. But yeah, they're very nice and very new design, man. It's very, very authentic and very different design. Some builders and some other Gundam enthusiasts doesn't like this, but yeah, even the Gundam G-Quacks that we have right here, there's so many questions about it. But for me, it's really like a refreshing kind of it's weird, it's refreshing for those persons who have been burned out to building the same units. Yeah, same faceplate, same like that, and some gimmicks are the same. But having those and having this one, Police Zaku, it will be a great wash out for all those burnout. Okay, so you can see here, yeah, that's the unit. That will be the outcome of our Police Zaku if we already built it. So it has its gun, which is a little bit different, man. It's not just a little different, it's very different, but still those magazine are those the top of the gun. I don't know if they're using a beam unit or physical kind of ammos. Yeah. And here's the front and the back, or the rear and the front part of our Zaku, or the Police Zaku. And this Zaku is blue. It's not the usual grand suits of Zaku, which is green. This you say the green Zakus, or the Zaku 2 is a weak one. But yeah, this one is a Police Zaku. It's colored blue, and they have this something emblem maybe that they are called as a police. Yeah, I don't know. It's katakana, or it's a Japanese one, so I don't know how to read it. But you can see that. Can you see that those bowl type kind shapes on the legs? They're very nice. It's very different, which having those straight kind of limbs, legs, and the joint part is very different. Yeah, we already see that. It's very, I don't know, but yeah, there's this booster at the front. Yeah, there's a booster at the front, but still the Zaku's main characteristics with those tubes, you still have it. The mono eye, you still have it on the front, which it's like having a gas mask. Zaku, yeah, still have it. And yeah, the axe, does it still have the axe? Yeah, still have the axe. It still have its gun, and then so much more, and some very many boosters at the back, man. Yeah, but I'm really sure that those boosters were not red inside. You need to paint it, and that's what I will do. Yeah, if there are some details that I need to paint, then I will do it if I can, and if I have that colors. Okay, so yeah, so much for that. Yeah, that's our Police Zaku, and it's a very nice and very new kind of unit that we can build here on our channel. Yeah. And yeah, again and again, I'm back. I hope it will be a smooth sailing, and yeah, we can really have more and more Gunpla and more toys that we can build here on our channel. And also, I will be back on live also because I will build something here also in my channel, my YouTube channel. Yeah, because there are some people who's asking me when I will go live again and building some bootlegs. Yeah, because I do live on bootlegs. But here in Bandai, we'll have an unboxing, a speed build because it's a Bandai one, so fittings, no problem. And then we'll also have a quick look, and also the very most important is our full review of this kit. And yeah, my throat, a little bit of problem. And I'm still recovering from the sickness last time. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this kind of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, please hit that notification bell to be informed for our next videos. Okay, so that's our police Zaku, and yeah, just wait for them because maybe I will give them the most out of priority on building these kits next time. Yeah, okay, together with the Gundam G-Quacks. Okay, that's for now. Thank you so much. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off, and Gunpla Show signing off. Yeah, so there are 2 Quacks, and I'm still waiting for that Gilgoat. Yeah, it's in order, man. It will be here next time. Yeah, a GM form, but it's called Gilgoat. Very weird, but yeah, that's it. Thank you so much, and peace out. Bye. Woo. More Gundam and Gunpla to go. Let's go, man. Woo. So if you reach this part of my video, please comment down there below hashtag Jake the Gunpla Reviewer and get the chance to be shout out on our next video. Okay, that's it. Thank you and peace out.